Today we're going to dissect a circle, figure out what the center and the radius is, and then graph it as well. So I have an equation here, 4x squared minus 16x plus 4y squared minus 16y minus 4. You can see on the back side some writing, but I'm just using scratch paper, so ignore that. Anyways, what I need to do here is complete the square. Okay, and I can see that because I have one constant here, and my x squareds and my x's and my y squareds don't have a constant term. So the first thing I have to do is move this 4 over and factor out these right here, because in order to complete the square, the a, so the coefficient on the squared term, has to be 1. So I have to factor out a 4 here. So if I take out a 4, 4 divided by 4 is just x squared, and 16 divided by 4, that would be minus 4x, plus take out another 4, so that's y squared minus 4y. I'll move that 4 over while I'm here, so that equals 4. Now I complete the square, so b over 2, that'll be negative 4 over 2, which is negative 2. Square that, I get 4. That's the x's, and then the y's turns out to be the same thing. If you keep doing the same thing, it's probably a circle. Alright. Now I have 4 times x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 4 times y squared minus 4y plus 4 again. That equals 4 plus, now I have to distribute this, 16 plus another 16, because you have to distribute. Since you factored out this 4, what you're actually putting back is 4 times 4, which is 16. Alright, now if I simplify, I get this. Now, if I look here, I have an addition sign, and I have the same number in front of my factored form right here. So because of that, the addition sign and the same numbers here, I know I have a circle. What I need to do is make these coefficients 1. So I'm going to divide all of this by 36. Oh, sorry. That would make this 1, wouldn't it? I need to divide all this by 4 because I'm making these coefficients 1. Divide that by 4 and divide that by 4. Then I get x minus 2 squared plus y minus 2 squared. That's going to equal 9. So again, I was going to divide by 36, but that would make this side 1, and I don't want that. I want these coefficients right here to be 1, so I have to divide by 4. Alright, now I can get my center and my radius. My center, if you look, the equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared, and that equals r squared. So these are all the pieces for my equation here. So my center is hk, which in this case will be 2, 2. And if you look here, r squared, the equation is always equal to r squared. So in this case, r squared is 9 for us, which means our radius has to be plus or minus 3. So then when I graph this, my center will be 2, 2 up here. My radius is plus or minus 3. And now a circle is perfectly round. So I'm going to move over 3 this way, up 3, to the left 3, and down 3. And then I have a nice little bitty circle. And that's how you can complete the square on a circle and figure out all the missing pieces.